Okay, so we go to our LAN settings, go to local connection properties, and we choose the Ethernet protocol version 4, and we make sure that the IP is 192.168.1.100, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Now we only do that if we can't connect to the address I'm currently showing. If you can connect just fine, just don't do this step. The address is 192.168.1.254. The credentials are admin and admin, the username and password. We make sure we're on access point. Go into wireless. We go into security settings, but this is just to show you something. We don't do anything here now. And we go into the wireless mode and choose the client and click on the survey button to find our networks available. So I just found mine. It's the Babis one. That's the one. Next it's the signal, channel and security, and we click on the connect button, and we click on the save button, and we wait. We always wait for the browser to refresh by its own. Okay, still waiting. As you can see, we're now connected to Babis, my network. So we go into security settings, and if you don't know, go check at your router what kind of security you have on. You should have the security on no matter what. Now my security is WPA, which I'm gonna show just now. You can leave this on automatic, but I chose exactly mine. And then we just put on our password and we're ready to go. And click on the save button and we're connected. So sometimes there is a conflict with the IPs, but I'm not gonna go into it right now because it's always a different thing. I'm Babis from Geek Kugu. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna see you soon.